So, it's me, Brandy. I haven't been on YouTube in a real long time. Like, a lot of stuff happened. Like, my last video, which was my first video, is with me in the little, in the, in the crochet twist. And I still do crochets. Like, hair is definitely a nice little passion, but to be honest, it is hard to try to do this little YouTube thing. Because, for real, if you're like introvert, it's not always the best thing if you're not gonna put yourself out there and things like that. But truthfully, I like videos. I just like sharing my input on things, as in hair of what I've learned and just life stuff. Like, I feel like that's what people want to see. They want to see real stuff in real people's lives. Like, how is it relatable? Things like that. Because I don't want to watch you, besides entertainment, if you funny. But I don't like watching people that's, it's not real. Like, it's just for the money. Because if you just for the money, it's whatever. It's not a whole, oh, you really care about what's going on and anything like that. But yeah, I'm sitting in the car. My grandmother is actually in the store. I've been trying to work out, so I don't want to walk around in the store. My thighs hurt so bad. Like, they hurt. Like, but yeah, like, I definitely want to have a nice little following. I am very, very nice. I'm very entertaining. I'm funny. What else is there about me? I'm very dramatic. Like, yeah, I'm dramatic as hell. Like, I want to do videos. More videos with my husband, because he's funny. And also, he got a friend. His name Denzel and Shawnee. Y'all got to follow their YouTube page, because their YouTube is funny. They're definitely a nice little couple. They constantly doing pranks on each other, just being real. And I like more couples like that, because no disrespect to Queenie or Chris, but they weren't my relationship goals. And I feel like you got to be your own relationship goal, because you trying to look at it somebody else's relationship is not a guarantee your relationship gonna turn out like theirs. And then also being in the public, people know them, things like that. Like, now they both got videos of dogging each other, kinda, which I feel like is stupid. Not saying what he did was right, but let's be real. Everybody get cheated on every day. Every relationship at least once has dealt with some type of untrust or like distrust or anything, honesty, cheating. You've been in at least one relationship that was towards that. So it's just how you deal with it. Like, when that whole little scandal came out, I really didn't care for it, for real. Cause one, that ain't my business. Even though they put it out there, she probably almost chopped his stuff off because he did it. Besides, like, being a female, besides getting cheated on, I think the embarrassment of being cheated on hurts. I think it hurt as equal. No, I could say it, for me, it's being embarrassed is more, it hurts me more than the actual cheating part, because truly I can get over you cheating, truthfully, but it's just the embarrassment part of that. Like, I've been faithful to you, I've been loyal to you, and every female knows that feeling. Like, I've done this for you, I'm your ride or die chick, this this whoop de woo. But you here with the thought that don't do nothing for you but run up a check that ain't got nowhere to stay or anything else. Like, that's embarrassing. But niggas gotta learn. Like, I'm trying not to cuss a lot, for real. And I'm sorry, I keep looking around, but I'm in a car. It's kind of cramped in here. But It was nice talking to you guys, and hopefully later on I keep doing some more videos and get some more. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Definitely Brandy. And yeah, that's about it. Like, subscribe if you like it. Comment. I'm definitely going to respond back. So if you want to just hear me talk about more stuff or just open up, then let me know. Because whatever is YouTube.